a singer. I love sing, but I'm not a singer. What is your... Oh. Kanina lang nagaya kang lalabas, tapos ngayon, tatanong ka na kung... Oh, pastilan dudong. Sagot na. Good morning. Good morning. Dapat nalanggam. Uy, ay langgam na. Sige, baba pa na mo. O, karaman na kayo. Padid raman na. Uy. It's a foam. Yeah. It's a foam. So, okay na na. Uy. Baba pa na mo. No problem. Kasi, padid raman na. So, it's fake. It's natural and true. It's a padded. See? Kapal kaya ng padded. Kapal ng ano niya. Kapal ng foam. So, kahit ibaba mo yan. Walang makikita din. Okay? Hi, Alan Baxter. Oh my God, you are so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much, Alan Baxter. Thank you so much. You're back. Thank you so much for watching, Alan Baxter. Your beautiful voice matches your happy personality there. Sunsets, Ernest, thank you so much. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, thank you so much, Sunhits. Sunhits are nice. So tomorrow, I have another song for you. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow. She said, good morning. Hi, dear. Hi, dear love. Good morning. 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 Hi, dear. Good morning. Hi, dear. Meow, meow. There's the meow, meow. Where's the meow, meow? There. The window. There's the window. The meow, meow. Alan Baxter, to be with you would be like heaven. What heaven? No, I'm not dead. So I'm here in the world. I live in the world. I'm not dead. Alan Baxter. I'm not in heaven. I'm here in the world. Where's the meow meow? There. Say hi. Hi. Hi, loves. Oh, why are you laughing? So cute. How old is your... Yeah, it's 1 year old and 11 months. It's 1 year old and 11 months. So October is birthday, October 15th. Guys, my birthday's coming, October 15th. I'm going to 2 years old. 2 years old na ang anak Love. Oh, so sweet. Oh, look at that. Oh, so sweet.